Hi guys, my name is Simran Mote and I remain your economic and financial educator. Today we are exploring another level of the stock market knowledge, and today we want to look at what must you do first before you begin to buy stocks. All right, I've always been saying that the stock market is not there for you to rush in, go, and then you exit prematurely. Not at all. When you take a decision that you want to own stocks or you want to trade on the stock market, what you are essentially saying is that you want to play with the big boys. All right, so it is not a place for you to go and then within the shortest possible time you are coming out and all of that. Okay, so there are certain crucial things that you have to be able to put up on the floor before you begin to enter the stock market. And that's why I'm saying that the knowledge is very important. You have to watch all my videos and be able to get yourself acquainted with it. So before you buy a stock or before you go to the stock market and be saying that you own part of the shares of a company, I expect you to get these 5 things down for yourself. Number 1 is that have a full understanding of the stock market, how the stock market works, how it operates, the players that are involved, and how you can navigate yourself on the stock market and all of that. Okay, so have that full knowledge. We have some videos over there that you can watch and more that are coming. The second one is that you have to go to the financial goal before you go to the stock market. Essentially, people go to the stock market to actually build wealth. All right, and then when we say we are building wealth, it's different from making a profit. All right, and then also just focusing on the gains that are coming up. Okay, you must be able to go there with the intention to build wealth, and then when you go with the intention of building wealth, you are going to stay longer on the stock market and you are going to benefit so well. So you must be able to have your financial goal clear. There are certain financial goals that does not fit into the stock market. It will fit into, then you have to seek expert advice to be able to help you. If you have a financial goal, they should be able to advise you where your investments should go first and all of that. The third one is that you have to build an emergency fund first. All right, very, very, very important. If you go to the stock market and then within the shortest possible time you are exiting because you have some emergencies to attend to and you are selling out and all of that, you are going to lose. You are seriously going to lose. Okay, so before you take a decision to go to your stock market, ask yourself whether you have been able to build an emergency fund that can take you for about 3 to 6 months. Okay, so that you don't invest on the stock market and then when you are faced with some situations, you just quickly rush and then you sell it. Some people are also on the stock market that they are monitoring that people will actually come and then sell their shares so low, they benefit from it, and then they allow